Alright guys, so before you cut your danshiki, you first of all, before you go into shaping your danshiki, you first of all cut it and you take it to designers to design, then you can come and go ahead and cut it. Alright, so this is a wrapper, okay? This is simply 2 yards of wrapper. I'm using for this danshiki, 2 yards. A yard is 36 inches. You can see this is 2 yards, okay? So this is the length of the danshiki. This is how long it will be, okay, when it's worn on the body. And the wideness of the shoulder, that we are going to determine when we are cutting. So once we remove 2 yards of wrapper like this and take it to designers, they will simply design something here for you, and that will be your danshiki, right? So let's go ahead and cut it. So for this danshiki, let's turn it to the back, that we can cut. Turn to the back side of the fabric so that we can cut our danshiki. And it's not a must that you have to design before cutting. You can cut before designing. It's not a must. You can actually cut it before designing. So I'm going to fold it, okay? This is our wrapper. This is the 2 yards, okay? This is what design. This is the center, okay? The center is here. So I'm going to fold it again, okay? I'll keep it here, alright? What we are simply going to do is to check the shoulder measurement of the customer and the customer's shoulder measurement, okay? The customer's shoulder measurement is 19, which is 9.5, right? Here. This is the customer's shoulder measurement. You can see this mark. This is the customer's shoulder measurement, okay? Now, we'll give it a length of 10 inches, okay? That is like a sleeve length of 10 inches. So we are saying the wideness of the shoulder for this danshiki is simply 19.5, alright? So at this 10 inches here, alright, that means you want the danshiki to be somewhere here, or anyone want to do, you measure the customer. So we want it to be 10 inches, okay? So from here I'm going to fold on this 10 inches mark inwards, okay? I'll fold it inwards. Also iron properly. Alright. So guys, at this point, let us go into applying the measurements, okay? So, how are we going to know the depth of the arm opening, okay? You simply divide the chest by 4. His chest size is 40. His normal fitted chest size, okay, is 44. Divide 44 by 4, you will have 11. This is 11 right here. This is 11 here. So I'm going to add 1 inch allowance and make it 12. Okay, so this is the depth of the what? Of the arm. Alright. The next thing is to get the chest measurement. The chest is 44, right? Divide by 4, you will have 11. So this is normal chest measurement, okay? So we are going to add minimum of 5 inches, since it's danshiki and it's supposed to be big. 5 inches here, okay? So this is 5 here. So it means this is the chest measurement we are going to be using as against this. It's supposed to be free, okay? So it means we are having, this is the arm, okay? And this is the chest, the body of the danshiki, okay? All the way through. Alright? The next thing we'll do is to curve it here, okay? That's what I'm doing here. We'll curve it here like this. Curve it here like this. So this is how we're going to cut this danshiki. Cut it here. Curve it this way. This way. Guys, so this is our danshiki, alright? See right here. Okay. as simple as this. This is how to cut a danshiki, guys. This is our exercise. Nothing much, nothing less. Okay, so you are done with danshiki cutting. Okay, the neck of danshiki is determined by the design on it. So guys, if you don't know how to cut a danshiki before, today you have mastered the act of what? Cutting a danshiki. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, and share the video. So if you open this thing, that's what we have here. This is our danshiki. See this? If I fold the arm this way, fold it this way. This is our danshiki. Okay? It's our danshiki, guys. You can see it. Our danshiki. Let me turn to the good side so that you see it. So this is now our original danshiki. Now see this. Guys, if you enjoy watching this video, please subscribe and share the video, okay? For those of you that will be asking how to sew it, you simply sew it, hem it like this, and then sew it on half-inch allowance both sides, okay? Half-inch allowance both sides, right? We'll remove this with scissors because I've already cut it for us, so we can just remove with scissors. We can just carry our scissors inside here and remove this. Okay. Remove this one as well. As you can see, we are done cutting our danshiki. Alright?
Alright, so you can see this fabric I've folded into two and I've hemmed it. Okay, wideness is 4 initially because I folded into two, that's why it's 2 there. So this is just for us to provide a pressing button allowance. Okay, this is just for the pressing button. Okay, and that's all. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, like, and share the video, and I'll really appreciate. Okay, this is quite simple, and in a few minutes time we should be done with this danshiki completely, and I'll show you the final result. Okay, so see this, the simplest way to make the pressing button allowance. Okay, so this is where the button is going to sit. Okay, the pressing button, that's all. So we're going to work on the sleeve side now. We'll hem it into the bad side. Let's turn over into the bad side. So we'll hem it in. Okay, look at where I made a notch there. So you can see this. We'll simply just hem it, okay, quickly without wasting time. So I'm going to just put some pins, okay, just to ensure that what I'm stitching is straight. Simple as that. So I want to get to where I fix this pin. I'm going to remove it. Remember, the pin is just to give it shape, okay, so that what I'm stitching won't be twisted. All right. So the same thing I'm doing here, I'm going to turn over and do to the second side. Okay, the other side of the sleeve, I'll do the same thing. Then we'll go on to join to close it by the sides. Okay, so you can see I've done the same thing to the second side. So quickly we'll close it by the sides. And guys, should in case you're interested in joining any of my classes, my suit class, my vintage shirt class, my packet shirt class, my waistcoat class, my plain trouser class, anyone you want, you can chat me up and drop in the comment section that you're interested, and I'll connect to you. All right, so I'm going to close this by half, 3/4 inch allowance, half inch or 3/4 inch allowance. Okay, and the next thing for us to do will be to iron it, and our danshiki will be ready. So we're closing all the way down. There's no vent anywhere. So guys, this is it, almost done. Making danshiki is quite simple, very easy. All right, very easy. You can stitch like up to 2, 3, 4 danshikis in a day. It's not easy at all. Once the design in front is done, that's all. So we'll rush to the end of this. Okay, so now the next thing is for us to hem the down part. Okay, so let's turn it and hem the down part. Open the allowance so that it won't be thick there. So we're folding by 2 inches allowance. We're hemming it by 2 inches allowance. So quickly do that. Guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel at this point, please, you're not trying. Okay, please subscribe, like and share the video. I would really appreciate. Okay, so we are done with the hemming now. Next thing is for us to iron it, and I'll put it on the mannequin for you to see how it's looking. Okay, so we just iron it properly. All the seam lines, to iron them, and we are done, guys. This is the final result. This is our danshiki right here. You can see how nice it's looking. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate. Welcome to Knot Patterns. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.